For instance, when I went through BPCL, one of the thing which I did before my interview was I went to Google and I went on India Qanun, I went on SCC Online, I went on Manupatra. I searched the major cases that were being fought against Bharat Petroleum, not just in Supreme Court, but mostly at High Court and District Court level. And what were those cases based on? What were the acts that were discussed? Because at the end of the day, as in-house counsel, you will be listening with lawyers. You do not fight the case in the court, but you need to have knowledge of those laws. And similarly, when you're preparing for any in-house counsel job, this is the most basic thing you will have to do. You'll have to go through what are the different cases that come, legal issues that come, go through newspapers, search everything about that company that is related to their legal things, that what are the different things that are there. And this really helped me out because I remember that I had absolutely no idea what Legal Metrology Act is till 3 days before interview. I had absolutely no idea how criminal liabilities work. But just because I found certain cases where they had filed for quashing of FIR in High Court in West Bengal, I went back and read about it. And trust me, we were talking about something. They asked me what is the different kind of work you will do. And I explained to them that I'll be drafting legal opinions, I'll be vetting. And second thing, I realized that they have a lot of property disputes. So working backwards, I understood that there will be an in-house counsel team who would be vetting this property, because before you purchase a property, the property needs to be vetted. So these were the basic things that I found not anywhere else, but on Google itself when I was reading about or researching about the company. And when I was in interview, the first question they asked was about what I have done, what are the different kind of work I have done. My profile was very mixed. So that worked. I had worked in all the top tier firms. So there was a lot of corporate work and there was one or two litigation based work which I had done in my first year. Now, what happened in my job interview was very interesting. So I thought that they'll be very impressed that I have worked in all these tier one firms and it will really help me in my interview. But they focused a lot on litigation aspect, that what were the litigation internships I did. They knew that I have a good knowledge of corporate law. But see, as an in-house counsel, if you think that your major job would be complying with Companies Act, filing those forms, no. They have a separate team of chartered accountants who do these things, company secretaries who do compliance-based work. In almost every company, that is not the work that lawyers do. The kind of work lawyers do is litigation-specific work. So they focused a lot on how my understanding of hierarchy of court is. Do I know where different cases go? Can I identify in my city what are the different courts that are there? And we started conversing on that. I wasn't very prepared and I saw the interview going downhill there. Because honestly, this was completely out of view. But next we started steering conversation and they asked me, and I saw it in their reflection that after that, the next thing what I did was I went and I steered the conversation toward my strength, because I knew that I've researched about the company. I know a lot of things that will stand out. I was very happy with those knowledge. So when they asked what attracts you most about the job, and then I started talking about the kind of cases they do, kind of things they participate, kind of cases, legal methodology, quashing of FIR, which I know these would be my day-to-day work, property disputes. I'm very good with those work. They were very impressed with the detailing of how I could answer that these are the different kind of things I'm going to be dealing with. These are the different kind of laws, especially specific laws that were very specific to a oil and gas industry. So remember, whenever you are applying for an in-house counsel job or you're sitting for an interview, you cannot be generic. You have to be very specific with respect to your employer. An online IT industry company will have a completely different expectation from their in-house counsels than a manufacturing industry. A manufacturing industry will always have people who need to be very strong with labor laws. And IT industry will always want people who are very good with data privacy, confidentiality, because these are the things that they'll be dealing with regular basis, and they cannot afford to send this work out. So that was the learning in my interview, and that is why I got the job, because my knowledge was very industry specific. So this was my experience regarding my interview.